Yeah, yeah. Wait.
Ladies and gentlemen, Jason Andrews, aka the All-American Driver. I have a couple updates I want to clue you guys in on. One, the S2000 is running a check engine light. Not to worry, I know what the cause is. Yep, that's right, the S2000 is officially running a test pipe from Skunk 2. Now, the other day I went over to my buddy, his name is also Jason, and he actually helped me install my new clutch master cylinder on the car. He used to have an S2000 and he actually had some parts laying around. One of them was a Skunk 2 70mm test pipe. I put that on the car. I will say it's a noticeable difference. The guys at Baker Built did tell me to put a test pipe on the S2000, and I will confirm it really has livened up the car in pretty much every aspect, but it did throw a check engine light. So I did order one of those O2 Fowlers, I think, that just kind of extends the O2 sensor so you don't run a check engine light. Not that I really care, but I do care. Another update talking about the GT350R. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. A lot of people bought these cars or are currently buying Mach 1s and do not plan to drive them aggressively. Okay, so what do? They tell the dealer, hey, can you guys please put a better set of tires like daily driver on? And I am seeing quite a few on Facebook Marketplace and actually also at local dealers of factory takeoff Cup 2s. There we go, a factory set of Cup 2s in R sizes, 315, 305, basically brand new. How much did I pay for them? $400. It's actually a pretty nice feeling having a spare set of tires for the GT350R. I'm going to the track next month and I'm going to be trying to reset the lap record at my local racetrack, and it actually is pretty nice knowing like, okay, well, if I really burn through these tires or something happens, I have a spare set here that didn't really cost me any money. So super pumped about that. Let's jump into today's video. I'm really trying to avoid spending any money on this car that doesn't make it go faster. However, I was driving a few nights ago. It was very dark out, and these headlights, they just do not work very well. Can you guys see how foggy they are? So I'm pretty sure I'm drastically losing light output just because how foggy the headlights are. So again, I got off Facebook Marketplace. I found a guy who specializes in restoring headlights. So we're gonna head over there. He's in downtown Jacksonville and see if I can't get these things cleaned up just a little bit. One thing with a convertible in Florida, it could rain at literally any minute. Here we go. Ah, okay. Down, down, e-brake, up, roof, up. So what are we doing today, man?
So right now we're about to do a headlight restoration on this S2000. Gonna put a double layer of tape around the headlight so the sandpaper doesn't get into the paint. After that, we're gonna sand it down with 4 different stages and buff them out. It should come out looking brand new. 1000, 1500, 2000, and then a special buff compound, and that should get them looking brand new.
Is that top secret? The special buff?
Yeah, special Bold City Ride secret.
Nice, man. Nice, man. Thank you.
No problem.
Awesome. I say this car with the test pipe is now a little peppy, all right? It's got a little extra sauce on it. Geez, a little bit goes a long way on this car just because it is so light. Night and day difference from when this video started. Actually really pumped how these came out. Now I know these aren't like perfect, they're not pristine, right? This is a 20-year-old car, but this is gonna be way better driving at night. I didn't really care how they looked, to be honest, but to get some more function out of these headlights at night, that's why we did this, right? Shout out to Nick for taking care of me, taking care of the car. I'm gonna leave his info below. So look him up if you're in the Jacksonville area. He does all kinds of things at that shop. Paint, body work, minor restorations, things like that. We actually have quite a few things coming for the S2000 before the next track day, which should be in exactly 1 week. So do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video.